What's going on, guys? My name is Alejandro and this is Salamandrian. In this channel we have a lot of fun around cars with friends and all that, but you know what? Instead of me just telling you everything that we do, why don't you watch everything from the beginning?
What's going on, everyone? I'm going to show you again the BlackBerry Storm 9550 for Verizon.
Whoa, not that far back though.
What is going on, guys? Today's another fucking epic day in Los Angeles.
What's up, dudes? I'm Alejandro, this is Fargini, that is Pedro, and let's start this vlog.
We're gonna eat some dinner because we skipped lunch, we skipped breakfast.
I've seen things.
Official, guys.
We're official singer guys now.
You used to fit in much tighter holes.
How many miles do we have left in this thing?
God, I love this thing. Love it like a fat kid loves cake.
It's in the heartbeat.
And that is the Balboni line on the DBS.
Just sort of like caress your car.
Let me try something cooler now that you did that. GoPro, suck my balls. Oh no fucking way!
I am getting a GT2 RS!
Can we go to work now?
In five more minutes, Fargini.
What happened?
Now we know how to get this car in.
Unbelievable.
Hello? Who's that? Hello? Who is it? It's not working.
Service hasn't been installed yet.
We are in Costa Mesa inside a Ferrari California on the side of the road, and I think we're having some battery issues.
Bird just shit in my eye.
The money tree?
That's a money tree.
Do I have it?
No.